Hi, welcome to Sruthi Lakshmi's virtual classroom. Today we're going to learn how to multiply numbers by drawing lines. In some parts of the globe, they use this method in schools. Okay, let's say if you want to multiply 12 by 13. First, for 1, draw one line. Next, draw the other two. Next, for 2, draw 2 lines with a little space in between them. Now for 13, draw one line for the 1 and 3 lines for this 3. Now count the intersection parts. So 1, next 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So write 6. Next count in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then over here. So next 1. So 12 into 13 is 156. Isn't this method so easy? Let's see another example. 302 into 213. Now for the 3, put 3 diagonal lines like this. For the 0, put a different colored line, or you could put dashes. Now for this 2, put 2 lines. Next, for the next number 213, put the lines in the opposite way, so this direction. Now for the 2, put 2 lines. Next, for the 1, put 1 line with a little space in between. Now for 3, put 3 lines with a little space between this line. Now let's group the intersections. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Next, since the blue line comes here, we don't take these. So we only count over here. So 1 and 2. So we write 2. So next for the middle one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We skip this, and next 10, 11, 12 and 13. Now 1, 2, 3. Now we skip these because the blue line comes, because it's considered as 0. So 3. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now 13 is a 2-digit number. So we carry this one over here. So 3 plus 1. And we cross this one out. So 302 into 213 is 6. And 3 plus 1 is 4. Next 3, 2, 6. So 302 into 213 is 6, 4, 3, 2, 6. Isn't this method so easy? Let's see another example. 203 into 24. For 2, put 2 lines like this. Next for the 0, put a different color line or put dashes. Now for the 3, put 3 lines. Now in the opposite way, for the 2, do 2 lines. Next for the 4, write 4 lines. Let's group them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So write 12. Now we skip this because there's a blue line, which means it's 0. So we don't count it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then over here. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we skip this because it's a blue line. So there's 8. Next, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we write 4. Now, 12 is a 2-digit number. So we write this one over here. So it's 6 plus 1. So 203 into 24 is 4, 8, 6 plus 1 is 7, and 2. Thanks for watching.